Good morning everyone. I am Jaideep Mundra from Bikaner POLYMERS Private Limited. We are manufacturers of PET cans and jars. We are at Anutec, Bombay Exhibition Center, Mumbai. We are exhibiting the whole range of PET cans that we have. We are also exhibiting our PET can sealing machines for beverages, for dry products, for liquids. Various products, various shapes are there. Various products can be packed in the cans. We have can range from 50 mm to 99 mm. For beverages, we have cans from 100 ml to 500 ml. We can customize with your logo. We also have full open in beverage, peel off in beverage, tennis ball cans, cans for makhana, dry fruits, popcorns, candies, cookies, for chips, tea, biscuits, toffees, mukhwas. We'll show you the running of the machine also. We have the SS body head rotating machine. In this machine, the machine head rotates, the can remains stationary. This machine is for beverages, for liquid products like pickles, ghee. In this machine, we have manual mode and auto mode both. I'll run the machine in both. As you have seen, the can is stationary. In this machine, I can put the machine in auto mode also. Say I've set the timer of 5 seconds. The machine will automatically run in 5 seconds. You don't have to do anything. Machine will keep running on its own. Every 5 seconds, the machine will run on its own. The person who is operating the machine has only have to keep the can on the machine. Rest the machine will do. It's a very fast machine. Second machine which we are displaying is the MS body can rotating machine. In this machine, the can rotates. The machine head remains stationary. This is how the can is sealed. The third machine which we are displaying is the beverage machine for cafes and restaurants. It's a new trend which is going on. We make PET cans for cafes and restaurants for delivery purpose. I'll just show how the machine works. It's a very sleek machine which you can keep on the countertop in front of the customer. Seal the beverage over there and serve the beverage chilled to the customer. The customer can take the can home also. Very easy to operate. The new highlight in this exhibition is the RTC range that we have in various shapes. We have the can with the screw type lid on top. In this we have various shapes, square shapes, various sizes that is available from 160 ml to 1000 ml. You can pack berries, mixed nuts, snacks, cosmetics. This is the new range that we have brought for gifting. PET can with long PET cap. You get the advantage of a can and the aesthetic advantage of a PET cap on top. PET cap color can be customized. We have various color options. This is 60 mm RTC range, 80 mm, 99 mm RTC range, 50 mm RTC range. For more details, please contact us. Our website is www.transpetcans.in.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Please
Thank you.